So, this video, this is part two of how to make whiteboard, but this time we're adding something inside the whiteboard, and that will be a label. Adding labels. That's why I made the title, Adding Labels to a Whiteboard. So, for today, these are all the things we have. I have a bunch of fonts we can use. So, you remember this from the first video if you watched it. Go watch the first video before you watch this because I'm not gonna let me go fast and re-explain this. Yeah, important tkinter is TK, so you know what that is. So the computer knows what it is. Then you do this, write it to make the whiteboard be root.tk to make root equal to tk, and then root.title, that means making the title, and then root.mainloop closes everything. Okay, go. Okay, so canvas one space equals space tk. Canvas one. We're making a canvas so we can put all the stuff inside. tk.canvas parentheses roots. That's comma. What's this? I don't know what it's called. What's it called? Root this, and then is there a space here? I think there might be a space. Then with space equals space 400, whatever this is. Heights space equals space 400, whatever this is. Relief equals raised. So you can put whatever numbers you want. The bigger numbers, the bigger the canvas. Then label one equals tk.label parentheses roots. Then whatever this is, space, I think, text equals whatever you want. Make sure to add these. Like this. Okay. Make sure to add these tiny things. Parentheses. Label.config parentheses font equals Times New Roman Greek. That's the font we want to use right now. Then we have 30. That's the size. Canvas.create window, so it's creating the window for window label 1 that will go inside the canvas. So, yeah. So, we can change the fonts. I have some fonts. Okay, let's show you what happens. See? Here's how, let's look at that. How old are you? That's the text I put. And then let's change the text to Vatican City. I'm sorry if I spelled it wrong. Vatican City. Vatican. I probably spelled it wrong. Vatican City. And let's run it. Vatican City. That's what it shows now. And nothing else. And yep. You can add more of these. Just make more labels and have them different names. I don't want to make more, so I won't. If you didn't watch the other video, I used a different software so I could see my face. You guys can see my face. So we have now we change the text. Now let's change the font. Let's do Oh, these look too similar. Let me go look for a different font. Fonts. Let me go get some fonts. If any of you are maybe Roman, let's do Roman. Let's just play around with the things you can use. See what Roman looks like. Vatican City. That's what Roman looks like. Let's see. What does other stuff look like? Let's use Arial. See what that looks like. Let's just play around with the fonts and see what they look like. Arial? See what that looks like. Vatican City. Let's get another one. And here. Let's see what. See what system is. Let's see. See what this system looks like. Oh, pixelated. Okay. Last one. Last font to play around with because let's see what. Let's just scroll around and see. I'll probably. I should comment which font I should use next time. Let's use the one that I'm confused. This one. What? What is this? Let's see what this looks like. Let's see what this one looks like. Britannic bold. And see what that works. Okay. Now we got Vatican City. So remember all this. We can make, and yeah, the author is not Micah. The author is Brian with the capital B. Hey, we got a capital B. Oh no! I messed it up! Oh no! Just kidding. to add one more. For some reason it goes back to you know why? So if we never taught you how to comment stuff out, here's how you do it. You go to the end of the sentence, and you go here, and then you go, and it comments it out. And you can take it away. You can also, let me see if this works. Let's see if this will work. So this does work. Comment out that. Okay, so yeah, that's for this video. Please subscribe. I only have 22 subscribers.